So here's a picture of the bridge from a helicopter view. So it's a 1,500 foot long bridge. We got two duct banks running underneath exposed. They're both 14 cell duct banks, 2 2-inch, 4 4-inch, 8 8-inch. So, the utility company wanted to get some transmission cable across the bridge from one side of the river to the other to connect their substations. The reason that we needed to use fiberglass, and part of the reason why I was spec'd out too, was a safety factor. We had to figure out what's the most consistent way to install this. And there you can see we're flying one of those duct packages in. They just showed up on site, we cut the top off, placed some steel on top, and the crane picked it right up out of the crate. These guys built the whole package there in their facility. They loaded them up on a truck and they came right out to site. So that was pretty remarkable. So why Champion? And this was kind of what I was trying to determine with the team, like why do we want to go with these guys as opposed to anyone else? And it really came down to their track record, considering I've never used fiberglass before, I've never worked with these guys. So logistics, we had to figure out how to get our packages from Texas to Washington, D.C., and we had to build a good time frame. That's a little look at my forecast and how I had to build it. Each color is a different shipment, and that's just part of it. But with them building out both ways of the bridge, I had to make sure we had the right packages on site.